Would you buy this? Seriously, just look at it. We are standing in front of the all-new 2027 BMW iX3. And this isn't just another facelift. This is the Neue Klasse. This is the future. Let's start with the face. BMW is known for those kidney grills, but here, they've evolved. It's wide, horizontal, and if you look closely, it actually glows. It's the iconic glow lighting, and it makes the car look like it's breathing. Notice the lines? They've gone for this ultra-clean, minimalist monolithic design. Everything is smooth. Even the door handles, well, you can barely see them. They're flush and automatic. As I walk up with my phone in my pocket, they just pop out to greet me. Moving to the back, these rear lights are etched right into the body. No chrome, no fake exhaust tips, obviously, just pure, sleek tech. I mean, BMW says it has a range of up to 800 kilometers. 800? I think my bladder would give up before the battery does. Now for the magic trick. Check out the tow hook. One click on the screen and boom, it swings out automatically. Finish towing? Another click and it hides away completely. No more greasy hands or ugly metal sticking out. While we're back here, look at this trunk. You get 520 liters of space, which is plenty, but fold those seats down and it opens up to a massive 1,750 liters. It's basically a van at that point. And don't forget the frunk under the hood. Another 58 liters just for your charging cables, or your groceries. Ready to see where the real Neue Klasse tech lives? Let's jump inside. Now, first thing you'll notice, if you try to roll the window down, it doesn't actually go all the way into the door. It stops a bit early. But honestly, unless you're planning on leaning halfway out the car to yell at someone, it's totally okay. Look at these materials. No old school leather here. BMW is using this eco-near textile made from recycled PET bottles and even old fishing nets. It feels way more premium than it sounds, trust me. And space? Since this is a dedicated EV platform, the floor is completely flat. No transmission tunnel hump in the middle, so you can actually fit 3 human beings back here without a fight. You've got your own climate zone controls right here in the center, and even physical buttons for the heated seats. But the real showstopper is up there, this massive panoramic glass roof. They call it sky roof, and it stretches over almost the entire cabin. It doesn't open, which is why it's so quiet in here, but it has this special coating that blocks 100% of UV rays. It's like sitting in a high-tech greenhouse, but without the heat. Okay, now we are in the driver's seat, and this? This is where it gets crazy. Check out this steering wheel. It's not round, it's not even a yoke. It's this squircular shape with a center spoke at the top. It feels like something out of a sci-fi movie. And the buttons? They call it Shy Tech. They stay dark until you actually need them, and then they glow under the surface with haptic feedback. It's so satisfying to click. Then look at the main screen. It's a 17.9-inch free-cut display. It's not just a rectangle. It's this sharp, angled parallelogram that looks like it's floating. It's tilted perfectly toward the driver. But the real party piece is this. Look at the bottom of the windshield. That black strip running from one side of the car to the other? That's BMW Panoramic Vision. It's a head-up display that spans the entire width of the dashboard. Your speed, your music, your navigation, it's all projected right into your field of view across the glass. It's like the whole windshield is a computer screen. Who needs a traditional instrument cluster when you have a 4-foot-wide hologram? Honestly, sitting here makes every other car interior feel like it's from the 90s.